3 ways to make money online with AI. 1. Freelance writing. Creative Fabrica Spark, Reacher, and Jasper generate short and long-form text form a few keywords. Just proofread, add, and edit and you can make some decent money doing it. 2. Creating and selling online courses. Use AI like Shine Ranker to research the topics to cover, and find the best ways to present that information to your students. Like writing a script with CF Spark and making a video with it in Pictory, or making a voiceover with Play.Height to demonstrate with. By using AI and sites like Gumroad to create your course, you'll preserve a lot of time and energy that you would otherwise spend on creating the course manually. You can use AI like Shine Ranker or Canva to create targeted ads to reach potential students who want to take your course. You can also use AI to track your current students' engagement and improve the content. By using AI to create and sell online courses, you can tap into a lucrative market and earn a great income. 3. Starting an AI-based business. There are plenty of issues that businesses face on a daily basis. From customer service and data analysis to copywriting and visual creation, there are many opportunities to develop a solution. You'll need to figure out how to connect the right combination of AI software in order to solve the problem at hand. Then, find a way to reach your target market. If you need some help, there's AI like Squirrely, Pictory and GetResponse for content research, SEO, content creation, and marketing automation. We even made the video you're watching with AI tools from our Internet Income site list. All of the tools mentioned are linked in the description along with a link to access a list of more of our favorite AI tools for making money online in 2023. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more.